Ever wondered what you could do to earn $1,000 per day? Well, I sure have. I remember being super young, ambitious, but having little to no idea what I would do to not only earn money, but to earn a massive amount of money so that I could cover my bills and my responsibilities and still have a ton of money left over for myself, my leisure, and my freedom from a rude boss and or a dreadful 9-to-5 work schedule that I did not enjoy. After one night of studying, researching, and deep thinking, I knew for sure that if I wanted to make a lot of money and make it right away, I would need to buy something low and sell it high. And that is when the idea hit me, flipping cars for profit. Of course, I could have asked myself, what am I good at? And I did. I was a very good student. I was really into fitness, and I was a very good basketball player. I say this to say that for a short while, I did get into some service-based work where I tutored for cash, I fitness trained, and I even helped athletes improve their basketball skill. But after a month or two of doing that, although once I got a good clientele list, the money was decent, but it still was just not the type of money I was looking to make, and it took too much time to earn the type of money that I was looking to earn. That is when I began brainstorming. Like, what can I do to earn massive amounts of money in the quickest amount of time? And that is when I came up with the idea to flip cars for profit. My first flip, I made about $600 to $800 in less than 24 hours. My second flip, I earned like $1,000 in less than 24 hours. I was amazed. I never made such large profits so quickly, and that is when I knew that I was onto something. From that point until now, I have been flipping cars for profit and averaging about $2,000 per flip. Most cars I make far more than $2,000 on the car flip. And then some cars I make about $1,500 profit. But on average, I make about $2,000 per car flip. I never go below $1,500 in profit per car flip. But sometimes, I bought a not so profitable deal. Or sometimes I just happen to want to get rid of it super quickly and I let it go for only a $1,500 profit. But on average, I do make a $2,000 profit per flip. And many times I make much more than $2,000 on a car flip. And all my vehicles sell within the first 24 hours to 7 days, absolute max. And that is how I knew at 19 years old, flipping cars for profit is where I wanted to be. I say all this to say that if you are looking for a way to earn $1,000 per day, which is $7,000 per week, I can guarantee you that flipping cars for profit can help you solve that problem, just like it helped me. It is truly as simple as finding a used car deal under market value for whatever reason. Maybe the owner got a new car, maybe the owner doesn't drive the car anymore, maybe the car just needs a little maintenance, such as an oil change or new brakes, or maybe it has a check engine light. Put a little bit of money into it for the minor repairs and then reselling it for the highest market value possible, and therefore earning a huge, massive profit on that one single car flip. Remember when I said each flip you will earn on average $2,000 profit or more? Flip 3 to 4 car deals in a single week, and just like that, you have earned your goal of $1,000 per day or $7,000 per week. If I'm making $2,000 profit on each car deal, if I flip 3 cars, I just made $6,000. If I flip 4 cars, I just made $8,000 in one single week, guys. And this is very possible. This is very achievable. I've been doing this a very, very long time. Making $1,000 per day has never been so simple. And if you would like to know where and how to find these used car deals that will make you $2,000 profit per car, please click the link in the bio, take some action, and I will walk you through step by step for free how to find these used car deals so that you can get started earning $1,000 per day as well. Give it a try, guys, and by the conclusion of the free training, you will know exactly how to find and buy a used car deal that can earn you at minimum $2,000 on your very first car flip. I want this for you. Take action today and try a side hustle that actually works. Flipping cars for profit. This is better than flipping homes. Flipping homes, you need a ton of capital to put up. You need access to great credit. What if you don't have great credit? Flipping cars is something where you don't need a ton of capital. $1,000 to $2,000 is more than enough to get started with your first car flip. You put a little bit of money into repairs and literally you will make double what you put into the car, guys. Okay, so $1,000 per day is light work when it comes to flipping cars for profit. I hope to see you guys inside of the free training. Let me show you how to find your first used car deal, guys. This system is bulletproof and you will not regret taking the training. Okay, I hope to see you inside. If not, I'll see you in the next video. See you soon. Bye-bye.